In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to intensify the wave of snow using adjustment layers. Hello and welcome to the third lesson in this video series by Inspiration Clan. We've already placed our image of our snowboarder into our work file, and we've already brightened up the snowboarder there with a levels adjustment layer. Now what we're going to be doing in this lesson is actually enhancing this wave of snow. So what we're going to do, we're just going to click on the top layer in our layer stack, and we're going to come down to the adjustment layers icon, and we're going to add another levels adjustment layer. Now we want to change the settings on this, so we want to go 20 in the blacks, we want to go to 0.7 in the greys, and then in the whites we want 230. So let's just turn this layer off. This is before and this is after, so you can see the snow is much more intense. Now what we want to do, we only want to apply this levels adjustment to this actual wave of snow. So what we're going to do is we're going to come on to our layer mask, and we're going to add some gradients onto the layer mask so that our levels adjustment is focused only on the wave. So come over and you want to select the gradient tool. Now if you select black as your foreground color, and then you want to make sure you're on the black to transparent gradient, so just go ahead and select that gradient. You'll see up here black to transparent. Now what we can do now is we can click and drag on our image to hide the adjustment on this top part here. So I'm just going to click and drag roughly there, so you can see we've removed it from this top part. I'm just going to press Ctrl Alt and Z, or Command and Z to undo. I just want to make that a little bit lower, so let's go roughly there. Undo again, so you can just click and drag and then undo until you're happy with the final result. So let's go a little bit higher there. Okay, that's looking good. So this is a gradient we just drew on the layer mask. Now we want to do one in the bottom. We want to remove this bottom part as well, so I'm just going to click up and drag here, and there you go. Let's have a look at that. Let's have a look at our layer mask, and that's looking good. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn this levels adjustment layer off. So this is before and this is after. Now you can see just how much intensity we've added there. It looks much better. So this again is before and this is after, so it's looking great. So that is how you adjust your image, intensify the snow wave if you like. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. It's been a quick one. In the next lesson we will perform more additional edits, so I will see you in that video.